Everybody, Jason McMillan here with Keep Calm and Train Your Rookie. Going to talk about options and how my department has set up our rig to give us the maximum number of options when we're using a MasterStream device. This is what we do. This gives us more options tactically on the fire ground. It's not something that you have to do. It works well for my department with our water supply, our staffing of 3 person per apparatus, and the close responding apparatus system that we have. What we've done is we have taken this 2.5 gate valve and put it here on our MasterStream device. NFPA and ISO say we have to have one on the rig, but they don't tell us where we have to keep it. We don't have to keep it in the compartment, and we don't have to keep it in a hydrant bag. We have an outstanding water system here in Springfield. We use all steamers, 4-inch and 5-inch discharges. Here's our options. We can pull up on the scene and put one guy up here in the top, and he can operate the MasterStream device. I might send the firefighter up here on top, have him lift the MasterStream device, get it in position. We run with this closed. The engineer can then open the discharge, set the pump pressure, and go do other fireground tasks. He can help me pull a line, he can help me throw ladders, he can grab a hydrant. The person up here can open and close the MasterStream device at will. So we run with an 1 3/8 tip that gets us 500 gallons per minute off of our booster tank. Okay. Once I get a hydrant, I can have him shut down, and he can drop tips based on our hydrant that we have and what tactics we need to supply. And we can drop this all the way down to a 2-inch tip. Open it back up 1,000 gallons per minute. If we're worried about exposure control, once we shut it down, we can strip it down to the stream straightener. And we can put on our fog nozzle. Fog nozzle, we can create a wide pattern that coats the side of the building. We're not worried about that straight stream beating the building up. Also gives us a few more options. Here we have our portable base adapter for this same MasterStream. All of these components are kept up here in the dunnage. We can deploy this out on the street, remove the MasterStream stanchion, and we can put it on here. Go ahead and switch this back to the stack tips. Even when we deploy this on the ground, however, we still leave this in place. We found that it gives us a lot more options. Some of the options that we also have, we live in a rural area of Illinois. We have a lot of interaction with anhydrous ammonia, and we've done this before. We've taken our MasterStream device, put it on the portable base, put it out on the road, and we have used a standard fog nozzle to create a fog pattern to contain the anhydrous ammonia. This is a select gallonage nozzle, so I don't have to use 200 gallons per minute. I can neck this particular one down 30, 60, 95, 125. 1.5 tip. This turns this big MasterStream into something I can gate down to 30 gallons per minute, if that's the tactic that I need to use. Again, something to think about. If this is an option you're considering, go around the compartments. Maybe you've got one of these gate valves hidden somewhere. Maybe have one in a cupboard somewhere around the fire station. We've had such good success with this on my department that our new rigs are coming in. Instead of the gate valve, we have a 1/4 turn ball valve that we're installing here. 1/4 of our fleet has that in place right now. Recently, we've had pretty good success, really good knockdown. The perfect example why you want something like this. First in rig pulls up, first story is fully involved, and it's starting to auto extend up into the second story. They blitzed it down with one person up in the dunnage, while the other 2 people pulled an attack line, went in, made the second floor, cleared the second floor, and then began working on extinguishing the fire. Took it out of flash, took out a lot of the fire, still got to go in and deck it out with the fire. You're not going to put fires out from the outside. Again, these are options, and there is no hard, fast, cut and dried when you're going to use this, when it's not. There's a lot of factors that you have to think about whenever you're considering this tactic. All right, thank you very much. Be sure to like the video and leave us comments.